Make sure you are making your next beans and yam porridge just like this. While making your beans and porridge, you need good oil. First, I started by setting up my cool pot and then poured my beans into the pot and covered for it to boil. While that was already on the fire, I went to prep my onion that I will be needing. In making beans, you need onion. After slicing my onion, my beans was already parboiled. I brought it out and I washed it. Poured another water into the pot, cover for that to boil. Here we parboil beans, so reason because of some of the chemicals they use in preserving it from weevils. I washed several times till the water was almost crystal clear before pouring it into my pot and added my onion. And also I added my salt. Over here we don't use bulala to make beans, no, pack spoons or irons inside our beans for it to be soft. Soften our beans naturally using salt and onion. While that was on the fire, I brought out my pepper and my onion to make a pepper mix and also slice my yam that I'm going to be using for the porridge. This is actually how I like the sizes of my yam in porridge to look like, very small, not big. Less than 30-35 minutes, our beans was softened enough, so I went in with our already sliced yam, poured my pepper mix in, and I added oil. At this point, I noticed the pot was too small, so I transferred to a larger pot that I thought. Poured in the remaining oil. As you can see, the oil is giving. Like, Ika oil too good, sha. I added half cube of non-seasoning and adjusted with salt or covered and allowed that to cook because of the yam that we just added. At this point, our beans and yam porridge is ready. Just negodi. Just see how food is giving, from the color to the texture. Like, bring your plate, let me dish out for you. And make sure you try out this method.